Everybody, this is Karen Martz and Freedom the Parrot, and guess what, folks? We are out today to go walking. It is a gorgeous day. It's April 20th, and look what we have with us. My neighbor Connie says she has lots and lots of tote bags, and I cannot believe out of all the tote bags she could give me, and she actually gave me several, this is a Peacock tote bag, as you can see, and get this. Okay, I love the handle, by the way, very hip. She can't even remember where she got it, but I just filmed peacocks over at Magnolia Plantation 2 weeks ago. I haven't even published the videos yet. Oh my God, this is so exciting. Plus I have peacock feathers that I bought at Middleton Place, another spot in Charleston. Has beautiful lawns and grounds and big trees. It's really gorgeous. So Freedom and I are out walking together, and we had to make this super tropical. Now you're gonna hear cars going up and down the street behind us because we're on Cordilla Parkway. And get this, folks, you won't believe this. Look at all the beautiful trees. So this is our state tree, the palmetto tree, and I'll zoom in real fast before more cars come. Here are some more of the palmetto trees. But get this, Connie came over for the first time to see my condo, and you know, it's bird intensive, as you all know, right, Freedom? Lots of bird figurines and parrot related items and wild birds, you name it. And get this, she witnessed Freedom flying across the room, not kidding, from his big cage and walking right into this little cage. So I have him trained like a little dog, right, Freedom? And so Connie was the first person to ever see that happen. It's very exciting. All right, we're signing off live. Thanks to Connie in this beautiful peacock bag that we will treasure forever. All right, we're signing off. It's Karen Martz and Freedom the Parrot. Yay, Connie. Have a great day.